In a world that is constantly searching for truth, honor, and righteousness, one name has stood eternal as the symbol of Dharma, Lord Rama. But who was Rama? Was he only a king, a warrior, or something far greater? Today, we begin the timeless journey of one of the greatest epics ever told, the Ramayana. Long ago, in the sacred land of India, there existed a glorious kingdom called Ayodhya, a city known for prosperity, justice, and harmony. It was ruled by the noble King Dasharatha, a wise and respected ruler who possessed power, wealth, and honor. Yet, despite having everything a king could desire, his heart carried a deep sorrow. He had no heir to continue his legacy. With devotion and sacred rituals, Dasharatha prayed for a child who would carry forward the path of Dharma and protect the world. At last, his prayers were answered. Queen Kaushalya gave birth to a divine child, Rama. His arrival filled the palace with peace, light, and joy, unlike anything seen before. Rama was no ordinary prince. He was believed to be the earthly incarnation of Lord Vishnu himself, born to restore balance in a world drifting toward chaos. From childhood, Rama displayed extraordinary qualities. He was calm yet powerful, disciplined yet compassionate, fearless yet gentle. He respected his parents, protected the weak, and always chose truth over comfort. For Rama, Dharma stood above personal happiness. His life became a living example of how an ideal human being should walk the path of righteousness. Thousands of years have passed, yet Rama's story continues to live in the hearts of millions. Why does his legend still endure? Because Rama represents the highest ideals of humanity: the perfect son, the perfect king, the perfect husband, and above all, a symbol of unwavering virtue. In a world filled with confusion and moral struggle, his life offers clarity, patience, courage, and hope. This is only the beginning of his journey. In the next episode, we will explore the miraculous birth of Rama in greater detail and witness the events that shaped his destiny. Join us as we continue this timeless journey into the wisdom of the Ramayana. Jai Shri Ram.